Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the AVANI palette, and I'm so happy that I got this palette because first of all, it's really pretty and also it performed really well. So I'm going to start off with the orangey brown shade all over the crease. And first I pack on the eyeshadow and then I begin to blend it out just using circular motions. So now I'm gonna deepen up the outer corner, and for that I'm gonna be using the navy blue eyeshadow in the palette. I basically just start off with packing the eyeshadow right where I want it, and then after I have the shadow placed, that's when I start to blend out very slowly, but I try to keep it in the same place so that I don't bring the dark eyeshadow up too high. And then right here, I'm taking the same brush that I used before with the orangey brown shade and just blending everything out. I always like to go in with the eyeshadow that I used before the dark one so that it helps to just blend everything very seamless. And now I'm going to take the ColourPop concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and just place that on the lid to act as a base so that the eyeshadow that I place on there really pops. So now I took the purple and the blue eyeshadow and I mixed it together and just applied that to the lid. So after I did this with the brush, I actually went in with my finger and mixed the blue and the purple together and just applied that on the lid. It just really helped to make that eyeshadow pop a little bit more and just give it more color in a way. So now for the inner corner, I'm going to take that purple lilac eyeshadow. And now I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did on the crease. I'm going to go ahead and apply those same shadows on the lower lash line. Wet my brush and dipped into the white liner. And over top of it, I applied the purpley shade that I used on the lid. So right here, I'm just applying black liquid liner. This is the NYX matte liquid liner. So I don't even know what lashes these are, but yeah, I just went ahead and applied these. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all next time.